Yo, here I am minding my own business in Jamaica, just driving down the road, minding my own business, and all of a sudden, look what happens. They all jump in my truck. Look at, hey, yo, say hello, you little blood clods. Look at all that. They're like ants. I've been invaded. I don't know how to get rid of them now. Look at that. Well, that's what happens in Jamaica when you're known and you drive down the road in a big truck and the kids are getting out of school. Oh man, you get attacked. Well, we'll catch you next time from Jamaica. See you later. Bye.